This video demonstrates how to set up the MTI 722 and 729 chairs. A full account of all the details for each chair can be found in the user manual. After you cut the outer straps and remove the boxing, remove the packaging material by pulling it away from the chair, being careful not to cut the upholstery if it is installed or components lying just underneath. Then remove all 4 of the bolts which secure the chair to the pallet. Place the chair onto a dolly by lifting from the steel structure of the chair. Do not use the headrest, plastic covers, or other attachments to move the chair, and make sure the load is stable before moving it. Transport the chair into the exam room where the rest of the setup can be performed. Once we are inside the exam room in the desired location, first begin by ensuring the chair is level. If needed, level the chair by adjusting the height of the individual leveling glides as needed with a flat head screwdriver, then install the leveling glide covers on all 4 locations. The next step is to power up the chair and connect the foot control. The power cord is connected at the front of the 722 chair and at the rear of the 729 chair. To connect the power, insert the power cord at the base of the chair. Press firmly for a complete connection. Plug the opposite end of the power cord into an appropriately marked receptacle. The chair will play its startup tune each time power is connected. The foot control jack is located at the rear of the chair base. To connect the foot control, plug it into the foot control jack at the base of the chair. These chairs are equipped with both a foot control and a set of hand switches located on each side of the backrest. Verify all of the control and switch buttons operate as expected. The program buttons will not function until they are set up, which is covered in the operation video for these chairs. Next, if the upholstery is not already installed, lay the chair back down flat to install the upholstery kit, which consists of the main seat and back cushion, a headrest cushion, arm cushions, and for the 729 a foot section cushion. With the back and seat sections of the chair in the flat position, center the back portion of the seat back cushion on the back section of the chair while holding up the seat portion of the cushion. For the 722, lower the seat and footrest portion of the cushion, centering it on the footrest with the lower lip of the cushion no more than a 1/4 inch away from the metal frame of the footrest, then press down firmly to set the Velcro. For the 729, lower the seat portion of the cushion into place. Ensure that the ball stud enters the mating hole in the seat section of the chair, and attach the foot cushion by aligning the ball studs to the receptacles and pressing until all 4 snap in place. To install the ambidextrous arm cushions using a Phillips screwdriver, attach the arm upholstery to each arm using the provided screws and washers, 3 of each. MTI's 722 and 729 come with MTI's exclusive ComfortSync surgery arm system. Confirm you have the correct arm for the side you are working on. The chair includes a left and a right arm, as defined from the perspective of a patient sitting upright in the chair, and each must be installed on its corresponding side. When aligned properly, the arm will face forward and extend outward from the chair. Do not install the arm facing toward the rear of the chair, as installing it backwards may cause damage to the chair. With the backrest upright, install the arms with one hand holding the metal end of the arm with fingers on the locking clip. With the other hand, support the weight of the arm. Orient the arm to match the key with the slots in the arm mount. Insert metal end of the arm into the arm mount until you hear the locking clip click into place and verify that the arm is securely locked and attached to the chair. Install the headrest by loosening the knob on the back section of the chair. Insert the headrest lock mechanism into the slotted opening at the top of the backrest, then tighten the knob on the backrest. To attach the headrest, loosen the knob on the lock mechanism and lay it on the backrest cushion. Remove the small knob on the headrest and insert the headrest pentel into the articulating headrest lock mechanism. Reattach the small knob into the end of the headrest and reposition the headrest to a desired location by loosening the knob, moving the headrest, and then tightening the headrest knob securely. Once the headrest is securely installed and adjusted to the desired position, your chair setup is complete. If you have purchased additional accessories, please refer to the included instruction guides for proper installation and adjustment. Before using the chair, you are required to review the operation instructions to ensure safe and effective use. These instructions are available on our website, with links in the video description below. Thank you for choosing MTI and for taking the time to learn how to set up your chair. We're committed to providing equipment that supports your comfort, efficiency, and patient care. If you have any questions or need additional support, help is always available. Visit MTI.net for product resources and information, or contact MTI customer service at 1-800-924-4655 for personalized assistance. Thank you for being part of the MTI family.